Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem promo codes in Pokemon Go or how you can find Pokemon Go promo codes. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for Pokemon Go promo codes 2025. Now, once you search for this query, you will find some of different websites that are going to provide you the latest promo codes. As you can see, it is the month of June, and this particular link is redirecting us to the page where we can find the latest June promo codes for Pokemon Go. So you need to come to this page and you need to just scroll down. These are some of the codes which you can try and see if these are working or not. In order to redeem the code on the same page, basically on the home page, you will see this option that will say code redemption, and it is from store.pokemon.com. So you need to simply tap on this option and you will be landed on this code redemption page. Now, in order to redeem your code, you need to sign in. So click on the sign in option and provide your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you will have to create one by using any of these options that are given over here. Once this step is done, you will see a section where you can type these codes and see which one are working for you. These are the latest promo codes. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.